Hello, this is Daryl with Handy Vet Inspections, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your repair request list. So you got your report in the first email, but you got a second email with a link to this exact page. You've spoken with your client, you know what repairs they want and need based on the 4-point requirements in Florida. This tool allows you to create your repair list in just a few minutes. It'll take you longer to talk to the client than it will to create this list. First, you have to review the task for each item. If it's a 4-point failure, you definitely want to add them. In order to add it, you just have to click select. And then if you want your picture, which I highly recommend a picture for every one, click a picture, you get a green box, that means it'll be in the report. You can keep my comments or add any of your own. So we're going to click repair because that's what we want done with this item. And then if you wanted, you could do an allowance. And when you get done with the end of the report, that total will be at the end of the report for all of the different things that you asked for an allowance on. So that's all there is to creating your repair list. I'm going to go ahead and go through this at real time so you can see how quick and easy it is. We're going to make sure we review every one for a 4-point failure. That is a 4-point failure. We're going to add it to the list. Click our picture and repair it. 4-point failure. We're going to repair it. Lights, client can take care of after they move in. 4-point failure, the heat being inoperative, we definitely want to add that. And that's going to be a repair. Mold inside the air handler, the client definitely wants to get that taken care of, so we will go ahead and add that. We want the picture so they can see how bad it actually is. Moving on through, we're looking for everything that's a 4-point failure. We got a water heater that's leaking. Based on the age of this water heater, this will wind up having to be replaced, so we'll just say replace it. The light on a pool, lights are expensive. It's not a 4-point failure. You can see it's not a 4-point failure. But the lights are expensive to get repaired. So we're going to ask for an allowance because we're not going to worry about having it done before closing. We'll get an allowance, and then that's it. You can preview your report at any time by clicking the preview button. And then when you click publish, that creates you a brand new version. So every version that you create is saved on here so you can always go back to it. The quickest and easiest way to send this is by copy and link. But what does your report look like? Well, your reports are very easy to understand. It's got all of the actions that need to be done. And at the bottom, it's the total of your allowance is listed there. So in order to send this over to your agent, very simple. Just copy the link of the version that you want. Go to your email. Paste this link in your email. Or you can download it and paste and copy the PDF in there. Fastest way though is the link. They open up it looks the exact same as what you just did when you previewed it, and you send that over to the agent. And that's all there is to it. Your repair request list is done. And you can see it's only taking a few minutes. That's how easy it is. Handy Vet Inspections.